The visual aesthetics of the 90s films, specifically the VHS era, have given us pleasing textures and styles that we would love to have in our modern digital films. And that is why we're gonna be all about VHS beauty today. So without further ado, let's begin our visual journey back in time. Alright, first, use the link in the description to get to the PX-VHS plugin page on Pixflow.net and download your free version of the plugin by coming down here, choosing the free version, and click download. Then use the guide to install the plugin on your Adobe After Effects and launch the program to get started. Here in After Effects, you can run the VHS plugin by choosing Window, Extensions, PX-VHS. Okay, when the free version is opened, you can first adjust it to your workspace. Then as you can see, it gives you 3 uses of VHS effects to add to your footage. There is the VHS section that gives you a number of different VHS overlays to stylize your videos. 2 free effects are on the top, and as you can see, the preview is available by hovering over any of them. The next section offers you cool VHS transitions that can be used not only to complement a retro-style film, but also in any other genre that has something to do with glitches and noises as their core aesthetics. Here I can change the view to see the details of the transitions. Again, the 2 free effects are on the top, and you can see the variety of them, which makes it a perfect collection of VHS transitions. And the last section gives you glitch-like effects that surely come and go in that type of films. You can see your free 2 versions as well as premium versions that are creatively designed to spice up your videos. Now what I'm gonna do is to import my footage to see how the plugin works and how the free elements look like in action. I'll click apply for the first one and let the plugin make the VHS layer. Okay, here's our VHS layer on top, and the duration is perfectly matched with our footage layer. And this is how it looks like. Nice. Let's try the second one as well. You can easily switch between layers to see which one works better on your footage. Now, the major difference that sets the free version apart from the premium version is the ability to customize the VHS effect in a dedicated setting panel. But if you want to use the free version and would like to edit the effect, you can open the VHS layer and start playing around with things to make your own specific effect. Next, I want to try the VHS transition between this layer and another. First, let me bring my second layer to the timeline and apply one of the transitions to them. Alright, now you can see that we have a new layer, and you can also change the position of the VHS layer if you want it to only affect one layer. The transition layer comes with a marker for the cut frame to position your layers in sync with that. And that's all you have to do in order to use the transitions. I'm gonna turn off the VHS layer to see the transition clearly. And this is how it looks like. Alright, now let's go to the effects section and add one of the free effects to our second layer. Here we go. One of the main usages of these glitch-like effects is when you want to have VHS on your footage but don't want to distort the whole shot. So these VHS glitches can come and go to create the style. And the variety of them can also help you mix them to make a new VHS glitch or distortion, since they're usually short and can be combined, especially if you have access to the customization panel in the premium version and match the effects precisely. Now, to access the premium version, you can simply click here on Unlock Customization, then choose your license and click on Go Premium to again go to the VHS webpage on Pixflow store and buy your premium version. Or click here to enter your purchase code and activate it if you've already bought the premium version. Then as you can see, many other creative VHS effects will be open to use for you, as well as the professional customization panel that allows you to change them creatively. Let's delete the previous effects and use some other ones. Okay, number 5 is the one. Let the plugin create the layer. And now I can access the customization panel where there are 4 categories. The first one is the color grading, where you can have many color settings like the basic color correction tools, the RGB channels, and the color blur tools. Then there is the noise section that has every type of effect that can be considered noise, from normal grain to mono noise and head noise. Then there is the distortion section that includes some other visual characteristics of VHS like wave and image jumping. And finally the timestamp, which gives you the classic VHS time indicators and play icon to make the recreation of the image complete. And this is the PX-VHS plugin with so many different effects to play with and styles to make, an easy to use interface and customization panel. So make sure to check out the plugin using the link in the description. Whether you use the free version or the premium one, it'll be so much fun to try it. Good luck!